we need to show that tan 10 degree, tan 15 degree into tan 75 degree into tan 80 degree is equal to 1. So how to show this? First let us consider LHS. So tan degree, tan 15 degree into tan 75 degree into tan 80 degree. So that is what your LHS is. So by applying tan of 90 minus theta, so that what we can get is cot theta. So by that method we are applying this here. So here 90 minus 80 will get 10. So I am writing tan of 90 minus 80, that is tan 10 degree, right? So tan 15 degree can be written as 90 minus 75, we get 15. So tan 15 degree can be written as tan of 90 minus 75 degree. Similarly, I am taking tan 75 degree and tan 80 degree as it is. Now tan of 90 minus theta can be written as cos theta. So this is theta here. So tan of 90 minus theta, that becomes cos of theta. So that is cot theta. Cot theta means cot 80 degree. So here same as it is, tan of 90 minus theta becomes cot theta, that is cot 75 degree. Then tan 75 and tan 80 degree is as it is. Cot can be written as 1 dividing by tan. So 1 dividing by tan 80 degree, similarly 1 dividing by tan 75 degree. Here tan 75 degree get cancelled. Similarly tan 80 degree get cancelled. The remaining thing is. Now question number 2. What we need to show that here sin 42 degree into secant 48 degree plus cos 42 degree into cosecant 48 degree should be equal to 2. So we need to show this. How to show this? Here also we need to consider LHS, that will be equal to sin 42 degree secant 48 degree plus cos 42 degree into cosecant 48 degree. So observe here. So what we can change these two terms. So I will keep remaining sin and cos as it is. So sin of 42 degree as it is. So this can be changed as secant of 90 minus 42 degree. So how means, so just in 90 you subtract 48. So what you will get? So the remaining thing is 42. So that is what I have written. So 90 minus 42 we will get 48 degree. So secant 48 degree as it is plus cos 42 degree as it is I have kept. So here cosecant of 90 minus 42 degree. Okay now. So now sin of 42 degree into, so secant of 90 minus theta. Secant of 90 minus theta can be written as cosecant theta. So here cosecant of 42 degree. Cosecant of 42 degree plus cos 42 degree as it is. Cos 42 degree as it is. Here cosecant becomes, so here cosecant of 90 minus theta can be written as secant theta. So here secant of 42 degree. Got it? So what you can change here, sin 42 degree as it is. So cosecant can be changed as 1 dividing by sin of 42 degree plus cos 42 degree as it is. So secant can be changed as 1 dividing by cos of 42 degree. So cos 42 degree, sin 42 degree get cancelled. The remaining thing is 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. That is your RHS. So now by the same way, so third question, how to solve this? So what we have in third question, sin of 26 degree dividing by secant of 64 degree plus cos of 26 degree dividing by cosecant of 64 degree should be equal to 1. We need to show this. So consider LHS, sin of 26 degree dividing by secant of 64 degree plus cos of 26 degree dividing by cosecant of 64 degree. So what to change this? So observe, so sin can be remain same, sin 26 degree remaining same. So I will change 90 minus 64 means what you will get. So here 10, 4, 6 will subtract here 8, 6, 2. So 26 degree. So now sin 20 degree as it is, secant of 90 minus 26 degree plus cos 26 degrees as it is dividing by here cosecant of 90 minus 26 degree. So in the next step what we will get, sin 26 degree as it is, here secant theta can be changed as, see observe here, secant theta, secant of 90 minus theta can be written as cosecant theta. Here cosecant of 26 degree plus cos 26 degree as it is. Here cosecant theta can be changed as secant theta. So by that way, so I will write here secant of 26 degree. Then in next step, so here sin 26 degree is there. 1 by cosecant theta can be written as sin theta. So that is sin 26 degree. Plus similarly cos 26 degree, 1 by secant theta can be written as cos. So therefore sin square of 26 degree plus cos square of 26 degree. So that will be equal to 1. This is your RHS. So that is what you need to show. Now question number 3. So question number 3, we have two sub questions. So that first one is sin A dividing by sin of 90 minus A plus cos A dividing by cos of 90 minus A is equal to secant A into cosecant A. We need to show that LHS will be equal to RHS. First we will consider LHS. So what is our LHS? Sin A dividing by sin of 90 minus A plus cos A dividing by cos of 90 minus A. So this is our LHS. Now sin A as it is, sin of 90 minus A is equal to cos A, right? So here we will change this as cos A plus similarly cos of 90 minus A can be changed as sin A. So by that identity, so cos of 90 minus A will change it as sin A. Now just cross multiply sin A into sin A, sin square A plus cos A into cos A, cos square A whole dividing by cos A into sin A. Got it? So now sin square theta plus cos square theta, or sin square A plus cos square A will always be equal to 1. Using this identity, it becomes 1 dividing by cos A into sin A. So if we split the denominator, so 1 dividing by cos A into 1 dividing by sin A, then what we get? 1 dividing by cos A can be written as 1 by cos A is equal to secant A, and 1 by sin A will be equal to cosecant A. So we will write it here. So secant A into cosecant A. So this is your RHS. So in question number 4, so what they are saying, for triangle ABC, here we have one triangle ABC. Let us write one triangle ABC. Okay, now by this triangle we need to show that sin of A plus B dividing by 2 is equal to cos of C dividing by 2, and we need also to show that tan of B plus C dividing by 2 is equal to cot of A by 2. How to show this? Just we have the triangle, we don't have any measurement, we don't have any angle. So how means here sum of interior angle of triangle will be equal to what? Sum of interior angle of the triangle is equal to what? Here angle A, angle B, angle C. If we add all the three angles, then the result is 180 degree, right? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So this can also be written in the form A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree, right? So this is what. Then how can it becomes? So by 2, right? So let us solve. Here observe the first question, we need A plus B but not C, right? So A plus B is equal to 180 minus C, right? So now if we divide 2 on both sides, if we divide 2 on both sides means on LHS and RHS, what we get? So A plus B dividing by 2, which is equal to 180 minus C dividing by 2. This can also be written as 180 dividing by 2 minus C by 2. That is A plus B dividing by 2 is equal to 90 minus C by 2. Now apply sin on both sides. Apply sin on both sides. Then what we get? Sin of A plus B dividing by 2 is equal to sin of 90 minus C dividing by 2. So here we know that sin of 90 minus theta can be changed as cos theta. So therefore sin of A plus B dividing by 2 can be written as cos of C dividing by 2. So this is your first proof, sin of a plus b dividing by 2 is equal to cos of c by 2. So here sin of a plus b dividing by 2 is equal to cos of c dividing by 2. Same as it is, we need to show that the second one. So how to show this? So here same, we have angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. This can also be written as A plus B plus C divided is equal to 180 degree, right? So now I will divide all the terms by 2. So what will get? A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to 180 degree. So what we need to show? Tan of B plus C dividing by 2 is equal to cot of A by 2, right? So I need B plus C but not A by 2. So I will transfer this that side. So what you get? B plus C dividing by 2 is equal to 90 minus 180 dividing by 2 means 90. 90 minus A dividing by 2. Okay now. Next, apply tan on both sides. So what will get? Tan of B plus C dividing by 2 is equal to tan of 90 minus A dividing by 2. So here tan of B plus C dividing by 2 can be written as tan of 90 minus theta. Here it is in the form of tan of 90 minus theta, right? So tan of 90 minus theta can be written as cot of theta. So here this becomes cot of A by 2 is equal to tan of B plus C dividing by 2. So this is what you need to prove. So this is the result. So now question number 5. Question number 5 is first question. So 3 into sin 32 degree dividing by cos of 18 degree minus sin 32 degree dividing by cosecant of 58 degree. We need to evaluate this. So question number 5 is evaluate the following. So in that first question we need to evaluate this. So now, so this will be equal to 3 into, so sin of 72 degree will be written as it is. Now I will change this as cos of 90 minus 72 degree minus secant 32 degree will be as it is. So this can be written as cosecant of 90 minus 32 degree. So 90 minus 32 becomes 58. Similarly 90 minus 72 becomes 18. So we know that sin of 90 minus theta can be written as cos theta and cos of 90 minus theta can be written as sin theta. In the same way, cosecant of 90 minus theta can be written as secant theta. So by that property I will change here is, so sin 72 degree will be as it is dividing by cos becomes sin of 72 degree minus secant 32 degree will be as it is dividing by cosecant becomes secant of 32 degree. Here sin 72 get cancelled, the remaining is 3 minus, so here secant 32 get cancelled, the remaining is 1. So the answer is 2. So 3 minus 1 will be 2. So this is your answer. So fifth one, second sub question. 3 into cos of 80 degree into cosecant of 10 degree plus 2 into sin of 59 degree into secant of 30 degree. So here how to solve this? So now 3 into cos 80 degree will be same. So I will change this cosecant as 90 minus 80. So 90 minus 80 becomes 10. Similarly, plus 2 into sin of 59 degree will be as it is. So secant of 90 minus 59 we will get as 31. So this 3 into cos 80 degree will be as it is. So cosecant theta. So here cosecant of 90 minus theta becomes secant theta. Similarly, secant of 90 minus theta becomes cosecant theta. So by that rule we will change this as, so cosecant theta becomes secant of 80 degree plus 2 into sin 59 degree will be as it is. So secant becomes cosecant of 59 degree. So in next step, so 3 into cos 80 degree will be as it is. This can be written as 1 dividing by cos of 80 degree plus 2 into sin 59 degree into 1 dividing by sine of 59 degree. So sine 59 degree, sine 59 degree, cos 80 degree, cos 80 degree get cancelled. So 3 plus 2. So this becomes 5. So this is your answer. So next for third question. Third question, sine 80 degree dividing by cos 10 degree plus sine 59 degree into secant of 31 degree. So how to change this? So sine 80 degree will be as it is. So cos can be changed as cos of 90 minus 80. So 90 minus 80 becomes 10. Right. Plus sine 59 degree will be as it is. So the secant becomes, so secant of 90 minus 59 degree. 90 minus 59 degree. So now here this becomes sine 80 degree dividing by sine 80 degree plus, so secant sine of 59 degree into cosecant of 59 degree. Cosecant of 59 degree. So sine get cancelled. The remaining is 1 plus sine of 59 degree into 1 dividing by sine of 59 degree. So 59 degree, sine 59 degree get cancelled. 1 plus 1, that will be equal to 2. So this is your answer. Now fourth question. Now if you observe question number 4 here, so tan of 55 minus a minus cot of 35 plus a. So we need to change this. Here I will change tan as, so tan of, so 55 can be written as 90 minus 35 minus a minus cot of 35 plus a will remain it as it is. Okay now. So now tan of 90, if we take minus common here, then the remaining thing is 35 plus a minus cot of 35 plus a. So here tan 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta can be changed as cot theta. So the cot theta becomes, so cot of 35 plus a minus cot of 35 plus a is already it is there. So here this becomes cancelled. So the remaining thing is 0. So question number 5. So cosecant of 65 degree plus a minus secant of 25 degree minus a. So here cosecant can be changed as, so cosecant, this will be equal to cosecant of 90 minus 25 plus a minus of secant of 25 degree minus a. So here cosecant of 90, if we take minus common, then the remaining thing is 25 minus a minus secant of 25 degree minus a will be as it is. We know that cosecant of 90 minus theta can be changed as secant theta, right? Secant theta. So by that property here, secant of 90 minus a becomes a. So 25 minus a minus secant of 25 degree minus a. Here secant 25 degree minus a, secant 25 degree minus a get cancelled. The remaining thing is 0. That is your answer. So now question number 6. So what is in question number 6? 2 into tan of 57 degree dividing by cot of 33 degree minus cot of 70 degree dividing by tan of 20 degree minus root 2 into cos 45 degree. So we know that, sorry, so here 2 into tan can be changed as tan of 90 minus 33 degree dividing by cot 33 degree minus cot of 90 minus 20 degree dividing by tan 20 degree minus 2 into, so cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So here root 2 get cancelled. So 2 into, so tan of 90 minus theta becomes cot theta. So cot of 33 degree dividing by cot 33 degree minus, so here cot becomes tan of 20 degree dividing by tan 20 degree. So that will be minus 1. So now this cancels. So the remaining will be 1 minus 1 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 can be written as minus 2. So that becomes 0. So 0 is your answer. Now question number 7. So fifth question, sub question, seventh one. So cot square of 41 degree dividing by tan square of 49 degree minus 2 into sin square of 75 degree dividing by cos square of 15 degree. We need to find the value of this question. We need to evaluate this. So how to evaluate this? Here square and all is there. So now observe here. So cot square, so I will write like this: cot of 90 minus 49 degree whole square dividing by tan square of 49 degree minus 2 into, so sin of 90 minus 15 degree whole square, whole dividing by cos square 15 degree. So that can be changed as, so cot of 90 minus theta will becomes tan theta. So tan square of 49 degree it becomes whole dividing by tan square of 49 degree minus 2 into, so sin of 90 minus theta becomes, sin of 90 minus theta becomes cos theta. So cos of 15 degree, cos square of 15 degree dividing by cos square of 15 degree. So here cos square 15, cos square 15 get cancelled, tan square 49, tan square 49 get cancelled, 1 minus 2. So the result is minus 1. Question number 8. Cos 70 degree dividing by sin 20 degree plus cos 59 degree dividing by sin 31 degree minus 8 sin square of 30 degree. We need to find the value of this given thing. So how to find? So cos 70 can be changed as sin of 90 minus 20 degree dividing by sin 20 degree as it is, plus, so here sin of or cos of, oh sorry, here cos of 90 minus 20 degree dividing by sin 20 degree plus cos of 90 minus 31 degree dividing by sin of 31 degree minus 8 into sin square of 30 means 1 dividing by root 2. So here square is there, so for the square. Now so cos 90 minus theta can be changed as sin theta, sin 20 degree dividing by sin 20 degree plus cos of 90 minus theta can be changed as sin theta. So sin 31 degree dividing by sin 31 degree minus 8 into 1 dividing by 2. So a square and square root get cancelled. So 2 ones are 2 fours are. So here this get cancelled. The remaining is 1 plus. So cancel 1 minus 4. Right. So 2 minus 4. So the result is minus 2. Number 8. You need to find the value of cos 70 degree dividing by sin 20 degree plus cos 59 degree dividing by sin 31 degree minus 8 into sin square of 30 degree. So how to find this? Here I will change. So cos 70 degree as cos of 90 minus 20 degree dividing by sin 20 degree will be as it is, plus cos can be changed as cos of 90 minus 31 degree dividing by sin 31 degree as it is. We know the value of sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is equal to 1 dividing by 2. So that is 8 of 1 dividing by 2 whole square. So now, so this becomes cos of 90 minus theta becomes sin theta. So sin 20 degree dividing by sin 20 degree plus cos 31 degree, sorry, cos becomes sin 31 degree dividing by sin 31 degree minus 8 into 1 dividing by, so 2 square means 4. So 4 ones are 4 twos are here. This can cancel, so this also get cancelled. The remaining is 1 plus 1 minus 2. So here 2 minus 2 becomes 0. 0 is your result. So question number 9. 14 sin 30 degree plus 6 cos 60 degree minus tan 45 degree. So what may be the result? So 14 sin 30 degree plus 6 cos 60 degree minus 5 tan 45 degree. So here 14 cos 60, sin 30 means 1 dividing by 2. So here what we have written, we know that. Now plus 6 into, what is the value of cos 60 degree? So cos 60 also 1 by 2 minus tan 45 means 1. So here 2 ones are 2 sevens are. So here 2 ones are 2 threes are. So 7 plus 3 minus 5. So what may be the result? 7 plus 3, 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. So 5 is your result. Question number 6. A triangle ABC is a right angle triangle at B. Find the value of secant A into cosecant A minus tan A into cot C dividing by sin B. So how to find this? So what is the given thing? Let us write one right angle triangle. Okay na? So in the right angle triangle, angle B is 90 degree. It is right angled at B. So hence B is equal to 90 degree. So we know that given angle B is equal to 90 degree. Then they have given so AC, right? So by angle sum property, if angle B is equal to 90 degree, then angle A plus angle C will also be equal to 90 degree, right? So if we add 90, 90, so if this becomes A plus C becomes 90 degree, then 90 plus 90 becomes 180 degree. Therefore, so angle sum property satisfied. Now I can write this as angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree. So I will write angle C is equal to 90 minus A. Can I write? So using this, I will change the property like this. The given thing. So secant A into cosecant C is there. Cosecant of C is there. Cosecant of 90 minus A minus tan A into cot of 90 minus A whole dividing by so sine of 90. So sine 90 degree means, what is the value of sine 90 degree? 1. So denominator becomes, this becomes 1, right? So now secant A will be as it is. Cosecant of 90 minus A becomes, cosecant of 90 minus A becomes, so cosecant of 90 minus A, this becomes what? Cosecant becomes secant A, right? So cosecant of 90 minus A becomes secant A. So here secant A minus tan A into tan A. So this becomes secant square A minus tan square A. So by identity, secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Here 1 is equal to secant square A theta minus tan square theta. So here this becomes 1. So the value of secant A into cosecant A minus tan A into cot A dividing by sin B, if the triangle is 90 right angle triangle, then the value of that equation becomes 1.
Spectra Science Academy, Kunigal. We assured for 100% result in SSLC and PU board exams and competitive exams like KCET, JEE, NEET. For tuition classes, contact below.